Hello everyone and welcome guys to this video. Today I will show you how to log into Millennium Bank Portugal. So guys, to do this, go to this bank official website, and after that search just for Google guys Millennium Bank. Click this result, you see this one, click login. After that guys, write your mail code as you can see here, and if you have a mail code right here, and click next and complete the steps after this one. If you have the app, you want to log into your app, click app, click the first result, and you should be download the app guys from App Store. After that guys, you complete the steps. You see just like this option, and continue these steps from here guys and log in your account without any problems. Just click this log in your account from here. This is how you can do guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget give like and give share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Any question guys down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible.